In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to N8N with Google OAuth. If you're new to automation, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything clearly and simply so you can start automating uploads, reading channel data, and even managing comments. First, make sure you have N8N running. This can be N8N Cloud or a self-hosted setup. Open your N8N dashboard and head into the workflow editor. Once you're there, we're ready to connect YouTube. Add a new node by clicking the plus button, search for YouTube, and select the YouTube node. You'll notice N8N asks for credentials. This is where we link your Google account using OAuth, which is Google's secure way of letting apps access your YouTube data with your permission. Click Create New Credential inside the YouTube node. You'll see fields for a client ID and a client secret. We'll get both of these from Google Cloud, so let's set that up. Open your browser and go to the Google Cloud console. Create a new project and give it a name that makes sense for your workflow. Think of this as the secure container where Google authorizes N8N to talk to YouTube on your behalf. Inside your new project, open APIs and Services, go to the library, search for YouTube Data API v3, and enable it. Enabling this API gives your project the permission it needs to access YouTube. Next, go to APIs and Services and open Credentials. Create new credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. If prompted to configure the consent screen, choose External. Provide the required basic details like the app name, save, and then continue. For the client type, pick Web Application. Now switch back to N8N. Copy the redirect URL shown in your YouTube credential screen and paste it into authorized redirect URIs in Google Cloud. Create the client, and Google will give you your client ID and client secret. Return to N8N and paste those values into the credential fields. Click Connect. A Google window will appear. Sign in, select the YouTube channel you want to use, and allow access. When that's done, your account is linked. To test it, choose an operation like Get Channel in the YouTube node and click Execute Node. If everything is set up correctly, your channel data will appear, confirming the connection works. If you hit errors, double-check that the redirect URL matches exactly, the YouTube Data API is enabled, the correct Google account is selected, and the consent screen is configured. Now you can automate uploads, monitor comments, pull channel stats, and trigger workflows when new videos go live. Combine this with tools like Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, or Telegram to build powerful content pipelines. Once you've done this once, it's straightforward. Create a Google Cloud project, enable the API, create OAuth credentials, paste them into N8N, and you're done.